What? What was that? I gotta find Brick.
Oh, gosh dang it, Bucket! Ah! Bucket? Bucket! Bucket, what the heck?
Look what I found. Look what I found.
Go. What is that?
It's a treasure map.
And I'm the king of the moon. What is that?
It's a treasure map.
Oh,
Look where it
sure.
leads to.
No way.
We gotta find
We
Raggy.
gotta find Raggy.
Raggy.
Show him the map. Show him the map.
Raggy,
wake up. Let's go.
We gotta go.
There's something crazy.
What the crap, dude? Why are y'all waking me up? Dude, we found a treasure map. Look. What are you doing?
Yeah.
Yeah, right. I'm gonna moon the king.
Don't you mean king of the moon?
Whatever, man. Dude, it's real. Look
It's
where
real.
Look where it leads to. Wait.
Is it right here?
What? It says it's right here.
It's right here. Right here.
I'm not seeing it. Ask him. Sir.
Yes.
Do you know anything about this treasure?
Many have talked about the treasure. Been around for years. Some say it's over yonder. I would say it's by the water.
What is your name, sir?
Name's Butter. Hoss Butter.
Thank you, Butter. Bucky, we gotta go. Come on.
Thank you, sir.
Come on, guys.
Go. Thank you.
It's Hoss Butter.
Hello? Good. It'll be waiting for you. Boss, go collect the package.
Yes, Master.
Throw them away. I expect my cut.
The treasure's mine. Ha 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 ha.
Let's go.
I don't think we're going the right
Dude,
way.
there's no way we're going the right.
Do you know where the closest pond is?
That way?
That way?
What's your name? Hey, you.
Have you seen two people walk that way?
That way.
What's his name?
Boot. We should be here by now. Brick? Raggy? Where'd y'all go?
Where's Bucket?
Where is Bucket?
Bucket,
he was right
Bucket,
here.
where'd you? Oh. Have you seen our friend. His name's Bucket.
I know where he's at.
Where?
Only in darkness will you find the way.
Wait, no. Oh, so it's a place that's dark.
Dark place.
Okay, we gotta find somewhere dark. Okay, we gotta find some place that's really dark. Someplace.
Bucket?
Bucket?
You in here?
Bucket.
Bucket!
Bucket. Where's the egg? Wait. Look under everything.
Bucket.
Bucket.
Back here?
Bucket.
Bucket. One. Dude, we've looked everywhere.
We've looked everywhere.
Let's go back here.
It's pretty dark back here, but he's probably not gonna be here.
Are you back here?
Bucket.
Where are you?
Oh, he's dead.
Not Bucket! No, not Bucket. Bucket!
Dude, we gotta go.
Let's go. Do this.
No, Brick! No!
He's dead. He's gone.
He's gone.
I know where your friend is. He's by the water.
By the what?
Over there?
Water.
The water? Let's go, Raggy.
I'm trying.
You're slower than a turtle without legs.
Oh! Woo!
Let's go.
Oh, I'm gonna get you.
I can see the pond. We're so close.
Oh my gosh. Dude, what are we gonna do?
Let's take him, Raggy. You're not gonna get in our way.
Oh!
Ah!
You shall not pass!
Brick, wake up! Wake up, Brick!
What the heck?
Let's go! Dude.
What happened?
Dude.
Did that guy kill us? No, we're alive.
Shh. He's sleeping.
He's sleeping.
Let's go. Grab a big rock. Smash it over his head.
You're gonna smash a rock on his head, kill him?
Yeah. Let's do it. Come on. Shh. Let's go.
I think he killed him.
We got him. Get it.
Bro, we made it to the water. Oh my gosh, look at that fish, dude. That's a massive fish.
Brick, that's a rock, not a fish.
What are you talking about? Say that again.
It's a rock.
Hey man, I'm really sorry we fought earlier. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Oh! Oh!
Oh!
It's a fish, it's not a rock! It's a
Oh!
I'm sorry, Raggy.
No!
Hey man, I'm sorry for throwing you in the pond. We should stop fighting.
You should. I'm sorry too.
I'm really sorry. Love you, man.
Now we gotta go find Bucket.
Yeah, we gotta find Bucket and find the treasure.
Let's do it.
Let's get after it. Love you,
do it.
man.
What's the plan, Craig?
First, we're gonna get Bucket. Then we're gonna kill him!
Yes!
Then, we'll get the treasure.
Yeah! What's the treasure? What?
There we That's a bunch of malarkey. I don't want that. Get out of here.
Bucket! Oh my God! Let's go! Bucket! You guys gotta help me out of here. Come on. I got you. Come on. No, I got. No. You guys! Let's go! You found me! Oh my God! Oh, guess what? Oh, wait. Now we have to find the treasure. Right now! Let's do it! Woo! Oh, hey.
Look right there. It's right there, son.
Oh my gosh, what is that?
Look at it. Great.
Friendship?
Friendship?
Is this the treasure? No.
No.
It has to be. What else is out here? Well, dude. Now that we look back
It's
at
us!
the journey we had, it's all been about friendship. The reason we got Bucket, because we love you, friend. Thanks, brother.
I love you guys. I love you guys.